Coronavirus or COVID-19. Introduction. A coronavirus is a kind of common virus that causes an infection in our nose, sinuses or upper throat. There are many different kinds of coronaviruses. In December 2019, a new type of coronavirus was identified in Wuhan city of China. This virus has spread from person to person through small respiratory droplets and caused respiratory infection in humans. On 11 February 2020, the ICTV announced SARS-CoV-2 as the name of this new virus, and the WHO announced COVID-19 as the official name for the disease caused by this novel coronavirus. The name COVID-19 was selected based on letters from the words CO for corona, VI for virus, D for disease, and 19 because the outbreak of this virus began in 2019. On March 10, 2020, WHO has declared the COVID-19 outbreak as global pandemic. In conclude, coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus, that is SARS-CoV-2. How COVID-19 spreads. The virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or exhales. These droplets are too heavy to hang in the air and quickly fall on floors or surfaces. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are in close proximity of someone who has COVID-19, or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose or mouth. Symptoms of COVID-19. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, tiredness, etc. Less common symptoms are aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, etc. Prevention of COVID-19. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, clean your hand often, use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Avoid touching your eyes, nose or mouth if your hands are not clean. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. Get a COVID-19 vaccine when it is available to you. Conclusion. Coronavirus is one of the most severe issues that are being faced by the people all around the world. It is necessary that we come out of this situation as soon as possible. Together we all can bring to an end to this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe.